Hello guys, welcome to Dhanush Kumar. In this video I'm going to show you how to hack VivaCut video editor. So the intention of making this video is it is requested by one of the member in our group. So I'm making this video. It is very easy, and the one more thing is that it is quite different from the all the others which I have already made the tutorial about. Like I have made many of the tutorial like finding the keyword by the dialog or by button ID. So if we do this that method for this, it will be very difficult to crack it. So it is like different method, so I'm going to show it here. So firstly, if by this method you can hack many of these editor apps like InShot and many other editor apps which of similar kind. So the firstly to have crack is we need to back up an APK, but it is an bundle APK. That means it is a split APK. So you can see in APK tool M here. So here you can see here it is split APK. Here you can see it is split APK. So split means it will be having, when you backup from normal APK backup, then it will backup only APK, and if you modify and install it, it will not install. So it should be splitted, anti-splitted before doing that. So what I'm going to do is I'm clicking here and will click here extract. You can see here extract. So when I will extract in APK tool M, it will extract both the APK and the required configs. Like see, you can see here split config aremia. So different type of APK will be inside it bundled. So this bundled app will be backup here. So if you use normal backup, then it will not work. It will only backup the main base APK. Then after modding, if we install, it will not install. It will require all of these. So after backupping this, we need to convert into standalone APK. So I'm going to show how to convert it after this process is completed. So now you can see here the process is completed. Now I'll click on go to. So you can see it is in the form of APKs. So to convert it to standalone APK, you will require an app called as anti-split. You can see here G2, anti-split G2. I will open this and I will select, you can see here, you can select APKs or zip files. So I will select here. So here it is backup. You can see here you should select this file and you click on merge. So after processing, it will convert the bundle APKs, that is here it will convert APKs to APK. Then you can modify it and you can install. We will not get any error. So this problem was occurred in my previous tutorial, that was in my fonts video, fonts APK, fonts for Instagram APK. I have modded, but I have didn't told about this. It is also bundle APK. You should convert it to standalone APK and you should modify it. I have forgot to tell in that video, so I am telling now here. So many got confused that they are saying that I have backup and I have modified, but it is not installing. So that was the problem here. So So you can see here my storage is full, so I will delete some files here. You can see here we got an standalone APK here. You can see here we have got an standalone APK. So I have already have an APK, so I'm going to delete it because you can see my storage is full here. So I'm going to delete it. So now I will go to the location of the APK here. So you can see here we have an VivaCut Pro APK. So click on view. So before that I'm going to show you what are the pro features here. You can see when I open this app, so we'll turn on data. You can see here we have pro here. We have here pro features. So I'll open once again so that it will appear here. So you can see here now. You can see here we have one pro button here. So you can see we can buy this all type of this. So when I click on create, so you can see we have once again this. So you can see when I select random click here, so you can see here now. So you can see we have one watermark here. So if we want to remove this watermark, we need to buy the pro version. You can see here, and one more is many of the features are locked. So you can see all of these features are pro here. You need to be pro, and to export you can see full HD, you need to be pro. So we are going to hack these features now. So now I have already went to the location of the app and I have already decompiled it. So now I will decompile Dexus. So as I have already said, now I'm not going from any of these keywords here. So you can see my previous videos, I was actually telling that to find any of the keyword here like 1 month or one time purchase or this button ID or any of this, but if we follow the same method here, it will be very difficult for us to crack this APK. So what I'm going to see is to search for the keywords. So the main keyword I'm going to search here is, first I'm going to search for pro. I will search pro. You can see here I have searched pro, because you can see here we have uh, VivaCut Pro. So I am searching for the pro keyword. So you can see here we have 1000 plus result. So let's stop this process here. You can see we have got 1000 plus result. So what I'm going to search for is the preference. You know the preference, so it will be stored in preference. The preference name, it will be always in the double quotes, that is string. So by applying this logic, I am going to change this from small e to string, so that it may decrease our effort. So I'm searching here. I hope that it will have less result than this. Oh no. So here also we got more than 1000 tears. Let's continue here. So you can see here we have got more than 2455. So now what I'm going to do is, so you can see we have gotten the proxy and all. So now what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to apply the logic. So you can see here this all Android, you can see this all Android.x, Android dot etc. This all for the app. You know that it all for the supporting the app. So I'm going to search for the main package name inside the package name, that is, you can see here. So this type, it seems interesting here. I think it will not be there in here, or you can see like this advertisement, you can see Alibaba, it will not be here. So I'm going to search in the places where we have interesting, like see here, you can see here we have Viva video, so it will be presenting here. So it will not present here like T-Cent and all. So I'm going to search the probability where it will be there. So I will see here, not there. Here we didn't got here, not there, not there, not there. So now next, so it will not be here. The Alibaba, they all for advertisement. It will not, the pro activity will not be here. And this is also Amazon or something. I think here it will also, it will not be here. It is Com Android. So Com Android apps flyer. It can also be Facebook. It will not also not be in Facebook. It will also not be in Google. Here you can see we have got some interesting here, like different package names. So we'll search here. It's not there. It's not there anything. No. So we'll search until we find any pro related like words. So here you can see we have got here pro user or something like that we have got here. So let's see here. Pro user, we have got here a pro user. You can see here. Now we have got one here is pro user. So now let's search for this. So you can see we have got here one is pro user. I think let's search for is pro user. let's try. Sorry. Now we have changed it to small e. So you can see now we have got our multiple here. So you can see once we have got each pro user, they are using many way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to return this boolean to true, so that it will say each pro user. So here we got, you can see it will say each pro user here. So now let's return all these to true. So now what it will return is each pro user, it will always return to true. Here I have added 0 into 0x1, so it will always return to true. So I'll copy here and I will make it all in true here wherever it is there. So we have got one here. So wherever it is pro user, I will make it true, is pro user. You can see here one more method here. And save it. So wherever you are getting is pro user, I will return it to true. So this, for these steps we need to find the keywords like this. So I have already said that if you get many results, then you open in the related package names. Like for example, so you can see now we have got 1000 plus result. So when you got 1000 plus result, then you should see in the packages where it is related to the package name. You can see here com, qvid, WaivaCut, like this type. You should not see in Google com ads. So it will not be there for sure 100%. You should open and see in the this type of like com bo, like this package name related, and you should not see like ads, and it will not be there. So now I will save here. So now I don't know it will work or not, but I am trying it. So it is saved now. So now it is saved here. I will uninstall this. So install this one now, modded. Sorry, it's not installing due to storage issue, I think so. So I'm going to delete this one. I'll try once again. Now let's open this. So now let's click on create. So now let's click on random video here. You can see now we don't have watermark, and when I click on export here, you can see full HD is also unlocked. Now here, so you can see before it was all pro feature, now it is all for you can unlock, all is unlocked. So in this way you can hack this. So in this type of app you need to search for the keywords. So as I was once again repeating here, so when you are searching, if there is more than 1000 results, then you need to search in the related to package name, nearer to package name. You should not go and see in like com Google ads or com.android. In that package name you should not see there. So you should see in this type of related package name, you will get the keyword and then you can hack here. So thanks for watching. If you like this, then like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.